How to use Google Messages. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Simply tap on the search bar and search for Google Messages. Now once you type Google Messages, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Google Message and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on Open. Now on this page, select your Google account to back up Google Messages. Now tap on Continue. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Now to send a message, tap on the message icon. Now select your contact. Now tap on the text message to type the message. Now once you type the message, tap on the SIM card icon to select your SIM. Now once you select your SIM card, simply tap on SMS to send the message. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.